And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
It is 6:43 on this Friday morning, and what a beautiful start to the day it is. Let's take a look right now, courtesy of Sky 5 in McAllen. Beautiful sunrise happening at this hour. Well, it's on the horizon anyway. You see just a few clouds developing in the upper valley this morning, and they will thicken up a little bit more before they break apart, and then we're going to have a lot of sunshine and heat headed our way. Let's go back to the map. Thank you so much for that Sky 5 view, guys. 71 degrees in El Sauz to 72 in Alton and La Feria. Good morning to you in Willamar. You're at 69 degrees. Pretty mild start to the day, especially if you're headed out for an early morning jog or anything like that. Visibility is between 5 and 10 miles, but if you look farther north, that's where some fog is. So if you are headed out of the valley going north on 281, you could run into some patchy fog over the next hour or so. Zooming out even farther and looking here at the Lone Star State, you see a front to our north, and it's there for now. And look at the panhandle dealing with those yellow boxes this morning, which is a severe thunderstorm watch in that area as those thunderstorms roll through on an eastward path. So they're not headed to the valley. The only thing that's happening today for us is we'll continue to pump in that lower level moisture, so it's really going to heat up pretty quickly this afternoon. It's going to feel rather sticky later on today. Looking at the severe thunderstorm potential, it's mainly across northeastern Texas going into Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, Arkansas, as well as Missouri. There we go. I have to remember my states here. Everything is going to shift eastward, so that's where a lot of that severe thunderstorm potential is today. Meanwhile, the valley is nice and quiet. Now, we are going to continue to see above average heat for this time of year in the RGVs. So with that being said, tomorrow is definitely going to be very warm, very humid. I'm talking about the mid 90s. The average is normally 86. Tomorrow night, a cold front will roll through, and that could spark some showers or thunderstorms ahead of the front. Your rain chances are slim, but with any thunderstorm that gets going, if it has enough energy, it could produce some heavy rain at times, as well as gusty winds, lightning, all that. So just be prepared for it. Now, looking at your coastal forecast, southeast winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour today with a moderate chop on the bay. Seas will average 2 to 3 feet. Farther offshore you go, the winds will be a little bit higher, near 18 miles per hour. So just be prepared for that one. No advisories with a low rip current risk for you swimmers. High temperatures, 81 degrees on the island to 89 in Brownsville, 92 in Raymondville, Harlingen, as well as Weslaco, to 93 in Edinburgh, 95 McAllen and Rio Grande City. And I said we're going to have a shower or a thunderstorm. Your rain chances are 30%, but that's late in the day Saturday going into the evening. And then your overnight lows will bottom out near 58 after a day spent in the mid 90s. But look at where we rebound. Sunday afternoon, 77 degrees. Will be cooler, a little bit breezy, and rather gusty at the coast with winds gusting out of the north near 30 miles per hour. That low humidity is going to linger into Monday and will shape up nice. Mid 80s on Monday afternoon after we start the day on a chilly note near 55. So you may need a jacket early, but then you can get rid of it. Beautiful afternoon on tap. But as we head into Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, wow. Very warm temperatures settle back into the valley. It's going to feel humid. It's also going to be rather breezy starting Wednesday and going into Thursday. But look at those temperatures climb from 92 Tuesday, 97 Wednesday, and back to 99 degrees, close to that 100-degree mark by the end of the work week. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.